Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today with the 2016 Hyundai Santa Fe, stock number 6630. This ran from the 6th 2015 to the 2nd 2018. It has a D4HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a D4HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, front bonnet no dents, left front 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic air shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen 6-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,